twabakira mu program emirembe ahagwera izoba nditumuha umuserita kandi mwe bari mu kumire a TV West erizoba tuje kuba tuganira ahantera y'ibishani turukosa amasimu gitu ningashi uko kubasa kuterekishani ahamagara gawe yo daily living lifestyle ebyo rukubonora mu burizo no wasa kuterota kishani kikargayo kiri a good picture ninga cyo kwasa kweta quality utabanze kuronda photographers uza kuba tuganira ho no mtsigazi mtu ari ku television mtawo no bakumanya okumanywa Dani shots na tugambira techniques eziri television types zebishani nibatera batebishani then kugira ngo niwo muntu uri ko base kwetegereza ko kubasa kose sumye ko kubasa kose camera yawe yo ine yona kuterekishani okarangu charga gumanitwe
amazina ganje ninye Dani shots ni ndugu muri imbara kandi rizaba tuzagamba kuterekishani binji ni bareba bishane mbitero muri imbara bizire ni bukura abantu binji bizire mbagamba bishane nowadays it's a trending industry nko kwasa kigamba kandi rema abana batonkito turimo tutere bishane I mean there are a lot of names abari mutabona bo kwasagamba bo tabakutere bishane so it's a good experience and it's good business at the same time because we have fun. That's the first thing, and of course the commercial partner erimo akasente tukakora konka abantu inengeri batakucenga mu kutukore ibintu byita binje mbarebe rusano mwe batekateka ngo wachiyanka internet watch kwata watch mutero misho takucenga cyane ko watch. So erizanye ndapa erezo basics just a few basics about photography zo kwasa koresa even na nesumi ya umuka to get just a nice picture. Halechi bakweta wedding photography ejene ito ya burizo ya mabaga kukisobanura tambuza buri weekend ntiza kuno niyo cyumuna na events photography twine kitubakweta studio baninga portraiture neje tukuzo mu studio kuteze bishani battery touching ombiru gutu batuboneza wono shana kakana katakabero kabone konka ibi byera nabishiri yaho twine category bakweta daily life aza abantu twakugitwara mu kiyamani daily life nekishane cy'uyu mko karoma no yashe ko kamuteze sumi yaho konka no kimanya ngo kishane cyo basa kukitera umuringo gubonire memory yawe reka kuba just memory for the sake of the memory kugira ngo wasnapinga batoyengeremo art composition framing ibintu nkebyo bitukoresha mu photography taba professional dukuyamba sumi yawe nko muntu obase kutere kishane cyo murembe na wakireba haho kubire ni ujoti ya this was a nice shot. Is it a camera or a phone? Niwanga haba kuburiza cyo cyubuza weza kureba kishani cyawe cyirungi. For example, ntizagamba kintu there is a harho a certain software technique simeze kubasa kore ekitweta bokeh on photography. Bokeh baninga bokeh kurigeraho koragati nkimanya cyo konka bokeh obaninga binja batatu kwasa kumanya nka background blur. I can in layman's terms ngasa kugamba batyo. So background blur ni ize to mukishani akono ko kanta kunanyara tumayerizo batwine kwanza kumanya ngo sumu na camera they have a lot of similarities and a lot of differences. So ezo senses ezingamba ho zine sizes, so ezo sizes nzazikuja zikareta chi difference mukishani ate suma bo kugira ngo ka camera kayone kace ka sensa nkakara kace haza ka sense ikakoma kuba kace na narayite ikagathering around you ni ikoma kuba ki inche so shange chiro ekishancha utyabachi clear because your sensor is what small konkebe byona no ijobera ba mota kureba ngo with your phone still you have what nice photography esumu zizire zakore kintu cy'akweta computational photography ni manyero gambo byaguma ko kanza kishobora computational photography no kushanga esumu nizibasa kukoresa small camera na small sensors zayo ku replicating ekishancha cha camera empango kukoresa software not physics. Camera empango inesesa mpango so it will have physics, it will have more light at night neza kusinga simu yawe koze inesesa mpango kandi it's a camera for God's sake. Konkiyo nko munta inesumu wabasa takufune kishani nkecho echo wa camera chaine hata hesimu ntizikwizera nezo murebekeze zizire esumezi zine mode zininje zimu kureba abinje mbazigura to kumakuzikoresa iki niki ati for example agent Samsung konkana nimbasa kukubuza na mukama wa yeze shaha like how many modes zeze bishaneza kukoresa na basa kungambira ngo nemoyo nka he just opens sajirati atere kishani kibe cyakora kibe cyawo kunke jisumu wijo okaswipinga okazombinde bintu okeyongera munonga you can find in a lot of things ebikwenda questioners nebya kamera ebikubasa kuyamba kushanisa z'ekishani cyawe cy'uwateze isimu kikashana n'ecyaki n'ecya kamera uko kuturagambe ho later on kundabere ko kuturagenda umisho so ogo gwaguriye murengo gwa photographer gutatugambo gwo kweta daily life abantu batakumanya abantu bamanya wedding photography bamanya portraiture bamanya concerts bamanya about all kinds of photography. There's even drone photography na ini siya ngobwo izire it's also hitting up so much, so it's a lot of types of photography right now and it's hard to keep up. Of course what are business yetu toraze kuzobya byana korachi munobimanya kunkaneze shaha ni mumanya nezinde zintagamba za editorial ebishane mukorero mahoro na magazines ebintu nkeli kunka daily life is the most important abo kwanya nitekateka every one of us no mutezi wekishane buri yomo muri photographer twena twinamisho amisho kuga kureba nazo nizo kamera kuzukureba just aganamisho bwitu bwa kabiri kukwata ekitwakoresa ekitwarebesa namisho gacho namisho bwitu tukaguma tukireba nkahi a display it yesumu so omisho ganje hanyi nebishane binyineho ebikwenda bashobora ebishane bya type C. We usually shoot in two ways, actually two forms. There's either landscape oba nimbe kishane kidyami, portrait ekishane kyemerire. So no basa kureba nkecheze sha this is a landscape picture ne chambara home town ne kishane kiri landscape ne kishane kiryami, then this is a portrait ne kishane kikozereki ekyemerire. So mostly nichirigira nenda kutera kishane ki, then that's when tuizo mukoreseza forms. So nza koreza nka example, of course we in a group y'abantu, a very logical example, we in a group y'abantu mushanze bakwenda kuteza kishane tora kitera oti naza kukitera bati oti wori yo more kwenda kutera singa kishane za kukitera oti nchiba chao. So niyejo landscape na portrait photography to gambo mahoro mute put in tekom landscape tekom portrait but you like that. Of course there is much more to that. Umukutera kishane kibonyera apart from just okureba umuntu yayo kamera yateka horenzi yakutera kishane following obukwakuruzo bwingi obutakumanyisa even that you have to be holding a phone bare camera kutera kishane kirungi ubwo bukwakuruzo bwingi butukoresa no butandikira aha tubukutandikira kamera. So nubukwakuruzo cyo haraka kwakuruzo kama kutuza kweta framing, that's the easiest thing and the hardest among all. So framing ni koko kureba kishane cyo gumuzo gwo kureba yaha noreba ngu ijeno frame ari yaha ariko space aho iri kwingana n'irikwingana konka binje naza kujatere kishani akushareho mutwe baninge kigere kigende ece kishani already ntiba kita apizingo misho gachi gabantu mutana sakuchera je konka hino kuntabonera agwenjeri wakwata muki umubiri go baninge ebichoke bwa musharona no kwa muteka ki on frame. So why go framing aje kishani cyawe nesumu yawe okega kutritinga sumu yawe display nka flame, then wakwata batesimo katere kishani okawasa kumanya mbwenu ngo this is my phone's display oguno muntu wanje nyenda mutere kishani. So frame yanje ne koma display koma na naha treat that as a frame from nowadays on. Noza kutere kishani burunje shango muntu tocho mushara bijere because you can move back or accommodating mu kishani batere kishani kirunje no. The same goes for landscapes. If landscapes is abantu, so usually no rondo mwanyo mutawuni, you know, otere kishani kechi. Actually, you know, awamburiza kishani echi bachitera bata. I've been getting a lot of questions on such photography. Emu kureba lines, so kukuto atwagambira cha computational photography earlier on, but except that this is different now. Phones can do this. Echi chimukureba semene basa kuchikora. Actually with physics, but again with computational photography, and most of the phones right now are doing it via computational what? How do I take such a photo? Ni manu wasa kwebuza. Nchibasa kuba chugumire like nanabagambira ari kamera zine kintu kibakweta sensor haza sensor kutere kishani ne light okuje karabo murenze katera rije sensor kikaba recorded ikishani kikaze nyuma yankahi a display okakora ki okakirera konka how about this time nagambira ngwejo sensor yane igura ekwigura buri kasha ne igura obwire nicyo kura watere kishani kigamba ngo cha abo kuba mira ne yigura yagaruka mu yakinga so in that second mira biyigura light ya tera sensor ya recording kishani cyaze nyuma yakinga watching so ejo time ya mira ye kwigura garuka mu kukinga nsikira kujibarira omutamze ziba kumanya ka shutter speed n'ubwire ubwe kwigura kagakana gakora cyeka cyenga ikigaruka mu affecting cyo mu kishani shutter speed na affecting ebintu bibiri motion echa kabiri light so nono kimanye kintu kimwe the first light opens and closes light neza kubera incha kuba yatamu speed kandi kanekinga kane kishani za kwakira sharp because omwanyo gwabaguru exposed no muche munonga it's in a click like cha ekishani chabachi recorded in like a micro second konka how about twine tara yamani ntwenda kwigura sensor yitu kwenda tufune light eri kumarachi omuri camera aho ntukora ki so ekiri kubaho neki ekishani no kitera but this time around mirror ne yimuka for a designated time light era metera sensor eri ku recording nkoko kureba video but in this time nekishani of course so as lines ezimu kureba niyo motoka eri kuba nebarabaho ezinezigaruka kuno as in tail lights eze motoka zigaruka kuno so when the sensor is open erumune recording a light ya motoka ziri gukora ki eziri kurabaho so giving it ejo effect yimu kureba ya light streaks into the light streaks so kashanga mweni nka light yabanka kachumu because the sensor is open and it's recording light of course of tereche chishani kechi chine disadvantages the first disadvantage is to catch teza ngaro yawo sensor ine kubera stable kwende recording the picture in a sharp way yajiro kuya moving mukona this picture won't be what sharp so waza kutere chishani kechi we ine simu yawo make sure ine ka tripod waninga ka selfie stick ino kwa simu yawe ubone kukora ki kutere chishani kechi nsagamba kintu cyo kweta composition ne kintu kubasa kushoborera nkoko kubasa kutereza ekishani cyawe kiwaza gukora ki kutera konka in this case kugira ngo twaza ko kushutinga video twareta amababi twagataho twareta ekineki twakitaho no ejine sumu urumu no kutera umuntu ekishani wamushango umwanya konka no ekishani kibonire so you want to compose it well konka to kwenda kuza kuronda matara oronde bishaka bya pamchizo bitekeho no but you want to frame him well omtere ekishani kirungi so what do? So composition is simple no banzore baho yemerire oyine bintu cye byotorira umuntu wawe iwo bwakwata se mutuza gukora ki kutera umuntu ekishani deba nansta mu umuntu ebenkeji aha nyine inko basa kwaso mukono nyine inko basa kwegama nimbasa gukora ibintu byinji nyene mezo mu misho so nchereka mu nimbasa kutera ebishani byinji byo mu byengeri nyinje ze sha nimbasa kutera ekishani ntire karigobeze shaha ndebati nimbasa kutera nyagamira aha obaninga nimbasa kutera dukoresha intaneza so all that is composition minjezo kubashobora composition cyo kora kije cyakumeza so ronde kintu cy'uru kwanguhira umuntu wo kuza kutera na no kuchika influencing ekishani in your composition so no wafa kugira tumbwenu ugumuntu kwa yemeriye maybe nasa kwatabonera yemerire ugira ati nyonye ndakutantira ku musharomo kandi making sure ngwenye ma on background hari yonke kinece ari abantu batambura muhinduro murebe seyo utere kishani cyawe ntiza kubonera that's composition but not just pulling out the phone okaje can't tere kishani cha niyo composition ejo composition ne agenda hand in hand na nekintu kitweta field of view ninyo okundu muni ndebeze sha field of view mkishane itweta field of view okundu muni kurebeze sha okokwingana omuki omukishane eze sha hamisho gita ikigakorera bito nk'abantu actually we turebera mu field of view eri kwingana na 50 mm na iza kuziteka comme degrees I do not know. I think it's around 90 to 45. I think no 90 degrees sort of. So tugenda tureba ngu how does field of view obaninga perception ejo affect ekishane cyo kuza kutera. What do I mean? Wakwate sumu yawe kuza kutera ekishane nkeji omuntu nuwogwa hari obaninga omuntu nuwogwa hari nimbasa for example ya selfie nyenda kweteza selfie because okutera selfie na ene art binji tuba kuchimani nimbasa kwatera simu yanje obaninga kwatera simu yanje obaninga kwatera simu yanje byona nza kumpereza results zitakola ki zitakushana nakwatira esimu yanje umutwe gwanje ngo basa kuba mahango ibigere bigende biri kuba biki ahubwo umutwe gwirire ki kamera naje kwatira aha umutwe gwanje nguza kuba even no mubiri abukuba numuninde banko kunshema kwa ninde no mari naje kwatira aha umutwe gwanje nguza kuba muke ebyo byirira habe bihango abukuba nibyo byirire ki kamera so one uza kutera selfie iwe ngo muntu no yendo shota nico cyo kubasa kwatira esimu kugira ngo maybe I want to nyerere nyuma nyuko muntu ngira ko nayetereza oba ninganje kwatira kibiga cyawe zo ninganje kwatira hansi cause I need different things in this so byona ni vision na composition. It's a big topic twasa kugamba mu byo program byona tabiheza so n'ibintu bitwasa kwendera ho misho wanda ko muntu bakubasa kwara ki kuganira byona so ikintu cyakashatu ekitonto zagambaho aha bintu bitandikiroomu n'ikintu kiba kweta lighting eje mukureba ni byinji munonga bijirumu actually mbasa kurugaye ngambe ngo photography is light because photo stands for light mamtaka kimanya geje konka nono kimanya wawarabira umujumere so yeah photo stands for light lighting ntugikoresa bato photography binja buno muni ngamba ni mweze shaha ni photographer inesumemwe kandi especially nako bari yahero mukashana nenda kora cyiteze sime kunka binje muri mwe tumukucimanya ngo actually no wasa koresa flash umureki umushana icyo bwe no kimanya so flash ni yamba cyo umushana flash je inasume ya weji watere cyane cyo umushana gitireho ni kuyamba kuyihamu wa shadows zo kuba buri hansi yake yamisho gawe enyindo yawe na n'umuhogo wagwaki gwa hansi especially mukasana kashaha mukaga akahigu so wate ko flash yawe during the day okachitere chishani ncho chitine shonga and plus mwego ko editing chishani bwanyima ukediting chishani kuza Instagram okachiteka filter no za light playing na light orebe nyoni yenda light nyende chishani cyake bato kunkucenda cyo cyeta exposure mu photography obaninge chishani ukuru muno kirebane cyaka bata kiriho light waninga cyo light aba muntu nasa kuja kubuza je konkada ni cyo chishani kashel dark why is it dark but well it's still dark no basamugara kamumeibo mwanyo gunabire ndumu nuko gwabire guri I'm trying to reflect omwanyo gunabire ndumu na kamera ki kamera yanje oba ningo Gerrit maybe nyenda akasana kal flattering nyenda kwereba for that case you will need enough light to jonjezem oyetera akasana kal flattering so ejonyo lighting omureki on photography like in a single bit ekinkwasa kola ki kubagambira it is a very broad concept akuba photography everything we learn about even the exposure triangle if you're going to learn photography it's the first thing you have to learn actually exposure triangle is the aperture the shutter speed and the ISO it's all based on light all increments and all values zona zigamba light so ejenesi mite tukuza kukoresa rizoba no basa kukoresa sumiyone yinomuka kutereke kishani tishikwetaga kintu cyamana munonga just nanyenda kubereza just akakoriyo kace akumukwasa kwega nesu muzanye zumwinomuka so twena ntubantu wenda kutere bishane bibonira sumuzitu konka tukumanya antutandika bata ntufocusinga bata ikintu nkeke sumwitu kukoresa yonka ntubaza ntubatakumanya neinetera kishani ki eine autofocus baninga tejine so most especially twaza kukoresa masimu gitu nimbeshengereza mubanze mu manya masimu ganyo bwa gukora wagure sumu manye sumu yawe kwekora mu in terms of photography shoma box yawe reba megapixels zeine reba ibintu byeine nkebyo wacenga so nza kugenda mission imbere kaha ukutukuza kutere kishane cha ekine kishane cha yeah it's a flower pot mwana ko kumja mina safuta na flower pot but if flowers no be biringe buri tindire but ninja kusezo kutere kishana neji esumu then muza kukireba murebe ukukiruko ukikosha twaiza kukitera so gender mission so nicyo twakize cyo kubanza. So mbasa kwa mwara na kwatira isumu yanje ndikutere icyo kishani, but there are a lot of ways ezinkubasa kutera icyo kishani kukireta in different formats ezimutabasa nko kucenga buvanyuma. So nakiretera habo kugira ngo nchimpereza perspective yo kugira ngo there is depth here and depth here. So ekishani cyanje nankitira niza kufuna background blurring kwenda kanati ndagifuna but ekishani cyanje nsakwa kikozere kiri sharp. So what if nyenda kufuna individual angle nko kutwa ntugambara composition kuboneza ekishani kitu, it's just one flower pot konkani tuenda kufuna ebishani biri different. How do we do that? So the same thing studying twakireba twarebe kiri. So now we want a better photo. Flower pot twatwinemwe konka twakorese miringo eshatu kutere kishani kiri yarimwe numbasa kuronda mekishane cyabashemeza nko muntu ekitwaterra baninge kitwaterra byona nebishane birungi kiri yariwe nko muntu nobasa kukoresa kishane cyabo wareba. So tugendo misho twamara kurebe kishane cy'ebintu bya burijo in case ndakutera flower pots baninge bimure byo ine twarebe ngere yo kubasa kubiterramu just koresa sumi yawe kufocusinga okirahi just a few angles moving around the picture kafune ebishani kwasa kuba different kandi bina birungi just akorese sumi yawe umuntu yakire babanze kwebuza was that a camera or not. So ecyakabere kiturihira izoba eze sume zitukorera ntukira ko ziteza minonga abantu. So ekishani cyo muntu mukogo mu 10 njandi yenyuma no wasita kumutere ekishani cyakubasa kureba yakire bakajya ati wow atagizire amatama ganje gaba mahango umutogo wanje gaba mahango ekikucha cyangwa. So all that nibija bintu bito abantu gamba ho mundaho. So ntuza kumutere bishani byemiringe eshatu ko twakora mu kubanza. Of course buri kishani cyo nakisa kwa kine meaning na nengeri yucu gukora mu feeling yo ko muntu wakireba depending angle einakoresa. So kishani cyo kubanza ese umuntu za kugikwata straight na namishoge kamera heri niyo line emwe na namishoge higari ece kishani kibonire abwaki omuntu weno kwari naija nko kwari ese umute kumugomora ese mutine cyo kumwongeramo. So okwari umuntu nuko kuba represented abo kubana mishogo nuko gakora kindi ko gakorera tona tugendera line emwe ya offside. So nzagumizamo I take this photo then tuje tumwirire in case we want to get a close up of the photo. Still ntwenda just kutera tukumanyekera rwe but we want to know ekishane eki nitwenda ntiza kushaba to twamwika munongo. Eji kamera ine lensi zibiri emwe lensi nayo kuzoominga itweta telefoto endijoneri wide angle itweta standard eri kutelevishani bya burijo. So amasomo murimo minja gumwina tugine kamera zibira ga Tecno ga Infinix ga kigine kamera zibira gandi gine nisha tugine ya ultra wide angle eri kwata byinje bikisinga na bya standard angle. So AJ24 for this case it has two of the most common cameras ezinkumanya at least wari mukaru kurebe cha ine sumi ya wewe ni it can be a Canon, it can be a Samsung, it can be an LG, it can be a Huawei. Any of those phones might be having at least a telephoto snapper imkweta nka zoom camera erukwate byahari. So eji zoom camera actually omugashogwa yabinje mbasa kwa mutakagumanyaga zoom camera eji focal length here hongo kutwa twagambire focal length waninga field focal length niyo kugenda kimana na field of view but focal length ho ni 50 mm ni cyabantu nkita bukugeza gukora ki kureba ekituru. Actually this one is specifically 56 to 52 mm if I'm not mistaken ya Samsung. So ebonire kutera flattering portraits abo kugira ngo tekongeramo any distortion eje ngamba honto ga antumanyisa ki katuje tukirebo tweza kutera kishane cha close up na wide angle bashobora distortion eche kumanisa. So ekishane cha close up twaheza kukitera okatu tukumanya nkishabata we are curious to see that. So twine kishane cha muheru. Okay so ebishane byebyo twabitera mwabireba mbasa kwebuzimwe ekishani ekitwaterra henyuma ekitwamwirra ekitwaterra side ni kiye kibonire kurugiri onko muntu kwakora ki okwareba no basa kuba wayiga hekintu cyo kugira ngo nanyine wide angle nkirro umuntu ekishani kibasa kutabonera abo kuba naza kugera ki amatama mahango neza kugezaho kumufitingamo hence distorting the image okudistorting ekishani no kuchimega kuchicompressinga kwenda chikomframe kitari genuine supposed kuba ntikozira inchikora ki nikikamu nitweta ki distortion. So mwege kukoresa kamera zanyu kushoma kumanya kizukora ekizikuzikwataho otakagenzera even out kwiye kamera yakora kikuterekishana manya otwata megapixels binje ni plan bambuze cyo kibuzo cha megapixels kandi actually rizanyenda kubashobora binje muri mwe ni mamwe ahurira this is a 24 megapixel phone this is a 12 megapixel phone numbambo manyango the higher the number the better the picture well that's right but that's also wrong abo kubekishana kubonera there are a lot of factors apart from just megapixels chikwatoti megapixels no buhango bwekishani waza kuchiprinting so 12 megapixels na 24 megapixels the difference is 24 megapixels is a bigger poster and 12 megapixels is a smaller poster if you're printing. It also has one added benefit it kweta detail omukishani detail no kuzoominga okabasa kureba ki ebinde bintu bikoyongerayo sharpness yabyo omuhango bwayo bibonire bitarumu anything ekisime kiyateka mu kiri nko mu cyere baninga grain
ubwo yabaje Danny Shots umutezi w'ebishani omutawuni eyambarira kandi niko yabasa kushobora atyo entera y'ebishani wayeganye zigengo ku wanoreba kuwe watandika ni program ukorwa yatandika wayegoko kubasa kutera shots zona yakogisoko kubasa kutera portrait yakogisoko kubasa kutera landscape ebishani byinje byatwegesa woyine kintu cyo kwenda kutera uri nka market ya ninga nonda kutera an object kanya zigengo wabyega kandi no basa kubiteko mu nkora Jebi yakwiye bigereki byakuyamba Atakarga TV West program iri mu membe turebane wikari kwisha shahani zozimo izobanirwe sibe kurunje